2018 to 2024 Chevy Equinox HID headlight. I'm going to show you how to replace the HID bulb. Remove the cover. There's two holding bars. The top one is not the one that removes the bulb. It's actually the bottom one, the holding bar. The bottom one, you have to pull up on it in order to release the top one. And then once it's released, you can remove it out of the way and you can remove the bulb. You're gonna have a cross section showing exactly what goes on the bottom of this. We broke one of the old headlights just to show you what you're feeling for. So these are the holding bar. The bottom one is what locks and unlocks. The top one just holds it in place. So this is exactly what it looks like. The bulb goes in only one way. The plug side is toward the bottom of the headlight. It goes in a slot. The top holding bar has to go in there, and you push on the bottom one and it locks it. Push up on the bottom holding bar and it locks it. And you